Hello there, everybody. My name is Gabe. Welcome back to another episode of Hoopla with Gabe, where we talk about comics you can get from the library while we are closed and we're unfortunately all social distancing. Today we're going to combine two of my favorite things in the world, comics and Star Wars, because May the 4th is upon us. May the 4th be with you, and comic books are a great way to celebrate your love of Star Wars or rediscover it. We're going to cover some different titles today published by both Marvel and IDW. This is all stuff that's been created within the last 3 or 4 years. There's a whole new generation of Star Wars comics out there now, and it's very exciting. So let's take a look. So our first comic today is Star Wars, Skywalker Strikes, written by Jason Aaron with art by John Cassaday. This is one of the newer Marvel series, the first of 10 volumes available on Hoopla. This one takes place in between the very first Star Wars movie, A New Hope, and The Empire Strikes Back. It fits in very seamlessly between those two movies. If you'll recall, the Death Star was destroyed at the end of the first Star Wars, and it felt like a very happy ending, but that was not the end of the war, and the Empire will tighten their fist on the Rebels. And the Rebels are still heavily outnumbered, and the battle has really just begun. These stories fill in very nice blanks between the two movies. You can really tell it's a labor of love because they slide in so well. And this is an area where I feel comic books can really shine, because this is a story that would have been amazing to see in film, but we didn't have $100 million then or the ability to create this kind of visuals then, and now we get to add to that story. John Cassaday's art pops off the page. Jason Aaron really captures the tone of the Marvel Universe. These are a lot of fun, and if you like Star Wars, you are going to like these. So our next title is Darth Vader. Now, the Darth Vader series runs at the exact same time as Skywalker Strikes, and we get to see the story from Vader's point of view. Darth Vader has just been dealt a tremendous loss by, in the Emperor's opinion, getting the Death Star destroyed. Imagine you had your boss's bazillion-dollar battle station blow up and you're taking the blame for it. How might that feel, and who else is coming at you from all sides trying to make a power play now that you have been shown as maybe not the most powerful person in the galaxy like some had imagined? It opens up with Vader, as you see here, bargaining with Jabba the Hutt, but he's doing so on his own behalf, not for the Empire. And this begins to open our window into the tense relationship between Vader and the Emperor, and how he has to navigate this whole battle in the galaxy as a very conflicted, very nuanced character. Darth Vader is the epitome of evil, and yet at the same time embodies so many different types of emotions and feelings. Kieran Gillen does a great job tying right into the Star Wars universe with his writing. Salvador LaRocca's art brings everything to life, and this is must read if you're reading Skywalker Strikes. So our next title today is something perhaps for the younger Star Wars fan in your life. This is Star Wars Adventures, Volume 1, Heroes of the Galaxy. These are a series of shorter stories geared towards younger readers that take place all across the Star Wars universe. So if you have a fan of Rey, you're gonna find something for them, but there's also stories that fit into the prequel trilogy with Obi-Wan Kenobi and Darth Maul, as you see there, or you see Yoda. There's Luke and Han on that cover. These stories cover the entire Star Wars universe, and they're just a lot of fun. They're written with kids in mind, but there's something here for adults as well. Landry Walker is the writer, and he really makes sure to drop some Easter eggs in there for the grown-ups who are reading along. I think this is a great example of how comics can be a gateway into loving reading for kids, and if you have a Star Wars fan in your life who is maybe a bit of a reluctant reader, or you're looking for something fun to engage them with while they're at home, this is a great choice. There are also 8 volumes of this in Hoopla, so once you start, you will definitely have a chance to read more, and the art is just fantastic. It's done by a series of different artists, but in a very similar style, and there are also a lot of really fun pinups, kind of like this one. My 8-year-old loves these. I think your kid will love them too. but there's also something for the adults as well. And so there you have it. Those were 3 titles that will get you deep into the Star Wars universe, and if you're celebrating May the 4th out there, you will definitely enjoy some of these comics on Hoopla. There are many more great titles on Hoopla as well, but if you're looking for Star Wars, my suggestion would be to just search Star Wars and then click on comics and you'll find them all. I also really enjoyed the Han Solo series. The Princess Leia series was excellent, and there are many more volumes of the Star Wars core title as well as Star Wars Adventures. We hope you're staying safe out there. May the 4th be with you. The library is here for you in these times despite us not being able to be open, and we look forward to seeing you soon, either virtually, watching one of these programs, or eventually one day back in person. Thank you, have a great day, and may the 4th be with you.
We are springing into summer learning at the Chattahoochee Valley Libraries, and the program you just attended is one of the ways you can earn completions. Just go to cvlga.org and look for Spring into Summer Learning. You can register yourself and your family online, and then start reading and attending our online events. That's all you have to do. We're giving away weekly gift certificates, and every completion you make enters you into a grand prize drawing for tablets, games, gifts, and more. Remember, you have to register to win, cvlga.org, and we'll see you online again real soon.